Hi there, welcome to this video. Let me introduce myself. I'm Sara Gomez and today I'm gonna share with you 6 key elements for a good lesson. Okay, and those include objectives, sequencing, timing, differentiation, assessment, and finally we have materials. Okay, now let's move on objectives. What is an objective? An objective is what will students to learn during this lesson. Okay, and think about the skills, knowledge, awareness, and also language. Okay, the objectives need to describe measurable, because in this you can describe the behavior that you can observe during the lesson. And also a good lesson plan objectives include what students should be able to do after the lesson. Okay, the second one we have sequences. In this case, describe what will happen during the lesson, the order in which it's happened, and how you will transition between the activities and to do the next lesson. What about timing? Okay, that is an important part. So in this case, the teachers need to be flexible. So because how you will organize the activities, and also you don't know how much time you spend during your teaching. Well, when we're talking about timing, it's what is the best time to do an activity and what is an illogical but meaningful way to organize the lesson. Okay, now let's move on differentiation. In differentiation, we have warm-up, introduction, presentation, activities, evaluation, and also application. In this case, the teacher has a variety of students and the students need to be more challenged. Okay, student interaction is an important part because in this case we know how students are going to work, if they are going to work in pairs, individual work, or and also group work. So in this case the teacher needs to have a balance of interaction with students. For assessment, student learning is how we know students to learn or how we know if the objectives are met. For assessment, we can include comprehension questions, we can include short quizzes, we can include short presentation, or we can include drill. For assessment and overall lesson, in this case it is important to mention it is important to leave time at the end for feedback, or is there a space to take note at the lesson plan. And finally we have material. So in this case, in order to implement a good lesson plan, it is important to mention what kind of materials that you are going to use during the lesson. You can use, for example, you can use books, you can use pens or handle. Okay, thank you so much guys, and that was my video.